Jack of all and king of none. स्वाद अनुसार.
स्वाद अनुसार.
That's my middle name, entertainment.
अभी तक तो धनिया था ना?
हाँ, धनिया and entertainment.
I swear she has not seen this before. Hello everybody, welcome to स्वाद कुकिंग इंस्टीट्यूट. मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त कृता कोटेचा. It's time for the Great Cooking Carnival, India's biggest online cooking and baking sale, and वो सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ है हमारी इन्फ्लुएंसर पंक्ति चौकसी. So let's welcome her.
Don't call me influencer.
Can you retake that? Pamki Chokshi, food stylist.
Fashion stylist, a mother, a person who's always worried about her hair, a little bit of a cyclist, and a little bit of everything. Jack of all and king of none. Thank you so much.
So that's Pamki Chokshi for us. And आज हम आपके साथ करने वाले हैं एक fun cooking challenge.
Cooking is always fun, baby. This is Kapoor like our home breakfast. I can figure it out.
Yes, so it is Kapuria, but it's Pamki Chokshi, so it's with a twist. Okay, so we are all ready to start the recipe. Before starting, do you want to tell anything to the audience about the recipe?
This is very simple. It's a very good breakfast, and you give it to me at any time. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I can eat it at any time. Very quick, very easy. And I speak very fast. कहीं पे अटको तो इनको पूछ ले.
Perfect. So let's get with the ingredients.
So we have one is Kapuriano load, which is a mix of dal, rice, and some etc. etc. I do not know too much in detail. Then we have crushed tuver ka dana. Then we have spinach puree, which is my twist. Then we have singdana, which I am not going to use. Then we have garlic, which I am not going to use because सुबह इतना garlic कैसे खा सकते हैं. Then we have ginger paste, which I am not going to use. Chili paste, which I am going to use. A little soda bicarb, or you can use papad ka khar. Oil and water. And my middle name coriander. शुरू करें?
So let's begin with the recipe, Pamki. पहले हम क्या करेंगे?
पहले बाल ठीक करेंगे, फिर गैस चालू करेंगे. And गैस चालू किया आपने? हाँ कर दिया, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. So see, whenever I cook recipes, it's basically a lot of approximation. How all women in their houses cook. I do not like have a fixed proportion. थोड़ा इधर उधर हो सकता है तो आप अपने आप देख लीजिएगा. Thank you so much. चालू करेंगे, पहले पैन गरम करेंगे जैसे हमारी आत्माएं रोज गरम होती हैं. जैसे ही गैस गरम हो उसमें आप approximately 1.5 glass of water डाल दीजिए. We are making 6 to 8 kapurias, not many. So we'll start with putting the basics,
And that is?
chili paste. Okay, this I've taken the wrong spatula, but still okay. Breakfast थोड़ा ऐसा रखे कि आपको पेट में बढ़त रहना. After that we have तुअर का दाना, which we'll put in the boiling water. छिली हुई तुअर महंगी आती है और घर में छीलने में बहुत कंटाल आता है, तो माप में डालें. And give it a mix. So far we've put chili paste and तुअर दाना. Then I'll add a little baking soda. So if you'll ask me how much, I'll say this much. ये देख लो. फिर पूछना मत आधा पूरा कितना, इतना. स्वाद अनुसार.
स्वाद अनुसार.
Tip for life is that always start by adding less salt because you cannot go back when the salt is more.
It's like marriage.
Yes. Oh wow. So there goes our chili paste, tuver ka dana, and we have salt and we have baking powder. I usually add papad khar, which has like, how do I put this? It's like a form of soda, but it's not soda. Then we'll add spinach puree. Now traditionally Gujarati kapurias are yellow in color and they are stiff, but हमको पोचा पसंद है और we like it green. So I'm adding spinach puree.
And this is her twist. बच्चों को और पति को अगर नहीं पसंद है तो this is the best way. Fool them. ऐसे डालो, खिलाओ पालक, get them iron and tell them it was Pankti's idea if they don't like it.
So yeah, let this simmer, let this cook. It takes like about 2-3 minutes to bring it to a boil.
So Pankti, till the time this is coming to a boil, I have
Yes.
few questions for you.
Please ask away.
Can you give our audience any 3 cooking tips that are useful for you in your kitchen?
Basic tips which I would give was like coriander तब डालो जब gas बंद करो. Like when you shut the gas, you add the coriander then so that it doesn't lose its color and beauty and taste. The second tip is if you have children, I have one child, always introduce food at very early age on so that they adapt to different tastes. And third tip is तुम्हारे साथ जो खाना बनाना है उसको बनाना दो. You just stand and talk. You don't wear a apron. I mean, let her cook. Why?
So I am already following the third tip.
You are. तो अपना पानी उबल चुका है मैडम.
Yes.
And our spinach and our tuver is a little cooked. Since we've added soda in this, soda quickens the process of cooking and it also retains the color. And जो अपनी tuver है, it's like hard, like Krita's heart right now because she's not accepting any proposals. But it will soften a little. And after this, we can add little coriander here. It's not required. I add puree, but I'm adding here because I like green. The more the green, the more merrier. पानी और flour का proportion is 1 कटोरी फ्लावर, कटोरी सबके घर की अलग अलग होती है, तो आप अपनी कटोरी देख लो. हाँ, so this is the size of the कटोरी. 1.5 glass of water, that's around 250-300 ml of water. So we'll now add the flour. I'm just going and looking at the water and adding approximately. Okay, kapuria usually forms lump, so आप धीमे, अब अभी तू हिला, मेरा हो गया.
मुझे पता है ये वाला पार्ट डिफिकल्ट है, मैंने ये रेसिपी बनाई है.
The girl has gel nails. गृहिणी के नाखून ऐसे होते हैं, जिनकी शादी नहीं होती है उनके नाखून ऐसे होते हैं, जो कुछ काम नहीं करती उनके नाखून ऐसे होते हैं. Don't go my word. I'm just saying this is my philosophy of life.
You just saw my pictures of cooking, okay? You cannot say don't work.
I want to see when you are cooking. Are these the same nails that you have on?
No.
हाँ. आज हमारे साथ है कृता, the celebrated chef who is using people's recipe to make money. She is making my recipe here. Please pay attention.
तौबा मेरा धंधो बन गया. Now I proudly say I use Panky Choksi's recipe.
If I am not called here next year, you know who cut me out.
Yeah, no.
See, this is how tight your batter should be. It should not be runny. It should stick to your spatula और आपका चमचे को चिपक कर रहना चाहिए. बस अभी तू बंद कर दे इसको and you can mix it a little more. Now what we have to do is leave it under a fan and let it cool down. It should not be steaming hot when you try to make those small kapurias.
तो जब तक हमारा बैटर ठंडा हो रहा है
जी.
थोड़ा ऑडियंस को एंटरटेन करें.
Yes, please. Why not?
Okay.
That's my middle name, entertainment.
अभी तक तो धनिया था ना.
हाँ, धनिया and entertainment दोनों. जितने middle name डाल सकते हैं डाल
पंक्ति
लो.
धनिया एंटरटेनमेंट चॉक्सी. Let's entertain people.
Yes, let's.
So we have, as you know, it's our anniversary month going on.
Yes.
तो हमारे पास अभी एक टंग ट्विस्टर है. ठीक
Okay.
है? जो आपके लिए एक चैलेंज है और इनके लिए एक ऑफर है.
Okay.
So the tongue twister goes like नमक मिर्ची हल्दी धनिया सबका बैलेंस होगा बढ़िया स्वाद आएगा एकदम फाइन जब स्वाद के कोर्सेज मिलेंगे only at 349.
Oh, this is so easy. Brrr.
Come on, try.
See, you said it once. Now I do not have like a memory which I'll remember.
You want me to repeat it?
Please.
नमक मिर्ची हल्दी धनिया सबका बैलेंस होगा बढ़िया स्वाद आएगा एकदम फाइन जब स्वाद के कोर्सेज मिलेंगे only at 349.
ऐसे तो ही बोलूंगी.
You are already here.
नमक मिर्ची हल्दी धनिया सबका बैलेंस होगा बढ़िया
हाँ.
स्वाद के होंगे फाइन जब आपको कोर्सेज मिलेंगे इन ओनली 349.
Yay! I have a quick challenge for you.
Okay.
You have to guess the name of the food or food item with these pictures here.
ओके. रेडी. कॉर्न, धड़ाका, पॉपकॉर्न, सैंडविच,
Okay, she's quick.
स्प्रिंग रोल, कैंडल, स्पगेटी,
She is quick. Okay.
सैड कुत्ता, हॉट डॉग, फ्रैंकी,
Okay. I swear she has not seen this before.
हैंग चिप्स, हाई फाई चिप्स, फिंगर चिप्स.
She is fabulous. She guessed all of them right, dude. That's a pro.
I want a gift now.
And you'll get a gift at the end of this video. Absolutely, for sure.
So बैटर ठंडा हो गया है. अभी कृता जी इसको प्लेट में निकालेंगे. कृता जी इसको फोल्ड करेंगे और कृता जी इसको स्टीमर में रखेंगे. ठीक से करो, सब साइड्स में से निकालो.
Yes, ma'am.
બીગડના નીચે તુવેર મહેંગી है. સો આ એકવાર કપૂરિયાનું બેટર આવું થઈ જાય, યુ કેન ટેક અ લિટલ ઓઇલ, થોડા સા, બહુ બધું નહીં, સો દેટ ઇટ ડઝન્ટ સ્ટીક ટુ યોર ફિંગર. લોટ બાંધે એવી રીતે ખાલી કરી નાખે તો ઇટ बिकम्स ઇઝીયર ટુ મેક સ્મોલ. સી ઇફ યુ વર્ક ટુગેધર યુ કેન ફિનિશ વર્ક ઇન હાફ ધ ટાઈમ. સો મેન્ટેન સિમેટ્રી એટ હોમ. दो जन हाथ में काम करो एंड देन गो वॉच अनुपमा.
You watch Anupama?
I don't. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Me and Krita have done an amazing job with folding these kapurias. It's not very complicated. Roll it and just press your thumb or any finger in the center. This is how it should look like.
Yes.
Steamer ready, plate ready. थोड़ा oil brush कर देते हैं उसके ऊपर. Oil brushing why we do is so that अपना कपूरिया इसके ऊपर चिटक नहीं जाए. Making everybody's love life and life otherwise simple. Don't stick on to things. Move on. Let's load this plate. Okay, we have loaded the kapuriyas, they're ready.
A few minutes later.
If you can see the steamer, it's been on for 5-7 minutes. If you can see the close-up, our kapuriyas look nice, slightly 1 mm they are fluffy. So if you can see the feel, it is softer than your tight dough and it should have this cooked feeling. The rice के slight blossom था when we cook the rice looks like fluffy. So if you keep રાઈસના દાણાને જરા કામ ફૂલે તો કેવું દેખાવું. This will only blossom very little, like 1 mm, but you can make out. Don't leave it in the kitchen and go away elsewhere. This is a very quick process. So this is ready and we are ready to serve. And ideally this is supposed to have एकदम गरम गरम. See, this is holding shape. अगर આ વધારે cook થઈ જાય ને તો ડૂચો બી થઈ જાય. I've done that multiple times. So if you do some mistakes, please don't feel overwhelmed. It is absolutely fine. It's the way of life.
So Pankti, can you share us a food disaster story of yours?
Food disaster. So there was this one time I had some guests coming over for dinner. I googled some new recipe because you know everybody does that. Some Turkish dish. 2-3 कलाक मेहनत करी. I put it in the oven and then I got busy with other things. जब तक देखा तब तक सब कुछ जल चुका था. And there was no going back. એવું બી નતું કે there was something that you can fix.
So if you do not want that disaster to happen in your house, buy Swat courses at 349. Learn it the right way and give your guests beautiful delicacy.
I've just taken like a longer plate here at a distance where they don't stick to each other there, and I'm going to put a little oil on it. Kapuria is ideally served as it is a traditional recipe. Methio, methino masalo, methino sambar, methio, whatever you call it at home. We are going to sprinkle that little because that adds like a little texture, dimension, taste to it. And there you go. Sir Kapuria is ready, nicely plated and ready to serve. You go make. It's a very easy recipe, quick, simple, nutritious also. So yeah, this dish works. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Pankti, for coming here, entertaining us, and for the delicious recipe that you taught us today. And अब स्वाद में आए हैं तो आप खाली हाथ तो जाएंगे नहीं. So I would like to call upon our favorite celebrity chef Sneha Thakkar to give you a small token of love.
I only take big tokens of love.
We have lots of love with a small token.
Big token, please.
I would like to call upon Sneha ma'am for our entertainer and a very brilliant chef.
Okay.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you to use these words, but I think she's a bigger personality here.
Of course,
Yeah.
she is.
सो पंक्ति आपने बहुत अच्छा यहाँ पे परफॉर्म किया और आपकी डिश खा के मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ गया.
Thank you so much.
सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग एंड स्मॉल टोकन बट
बाकी का कैश घर पे भिजवा दीजिएगा. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope आप सबको बहुत मज़ा आया होगा for learning this recipe from Bhakti Choksi with a little twist. And ऐसे ही दूसरे videos के लिए subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the like button, share this with your friends, and ऐसे ही धमाकेदार entertainment के लिए and ऐसे ही nutritious recipes के लिए follow Pankti Choksi's Instagram account. The link is in this description. I hope आप ऐसे ही सबको entertain करते रहें.
जी बिल्कुल. Thank you so much.
For the audience, खाते रहिए, खिलाते रहिए. Ta-da!